Welcome to Tech Talks. In this video we will show you how to add watermark in Google Docs. Subscribe to Tech Talk, and click on the bell icon for latest tech hacks. You may use watermarks to add logo images, or any text that appears faint and washed out in the background of every page of your Word document. Microsoft Word includes a useful Insert Watermark feature to help you easily add your brand's logo image, or a text stamp that fades behind the content of every page in the document. But, to insert watermarks in Google Docs is slightly tricky. Unlike Microsoft Word, there's no built-in support for watermarks in Google Docs, but there's a workaround. Step 1. Launch MS Paint on your computer, and create a simple watermark image in landscape mode with dark gray text. Step 2. Inside Google Docs, go to the Insert menu, choose the Image submenu and select Upload from Computer. Upload the watermark image that you saved to Google Docs. Step 3. Right-click the uploaded image inside Google Docs and choose Image Options from the contextual menu. Step 4. Expand the Image Options sidebar, and under the Size and Rotation section, set the angle to make the watermark diagonal. Step 5. Under the Text Wrapping section, choose Behind Text to send the watermark image behind the content of your document. Under Position, choose the Fixed Position option with the layout set as center. This will position your watermark image right in the center of the page. Under the Adjustments section, set the transparency level to around 80%, to fade the watermark image in the background. Here's how the final watermark effect will look like in your Google document. Hope you liked the video. Do like, and share the video, and subscribe to the channel to motivate us. Thank you.